Today we're making a 30-minute skillet meal that your family is sure to love. Howard shows us how to make his all-in-one sausage dinner in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
One thing that we take very seriously here in the Test Kitchen is the comments and reviews that you share with us. So thank you, and keep them coming. When we see a recipe that has reviews like, "This recipe's a winner," and "It's fantastic," we take pride in that and want to make sure as many of you get to try that recipe as possible. To make a recent crowd favorite, we start by browning a pound or so of Italian sausage, along with some chopped onion and green pepper. As for the sausage, that can be as mild or as spicy as you like. Once that's doing its thing, we combine a can of diced tomatoes with some sour cream, a good amount of water, a little sugar, and to give it some oomph, some chili powder and a bit of salt. Now we add this to our cooked sausage along with some thin, uncooked egg noodles. Adding these uncooked is a real time saver. Now we give it a stir, cover it, and let it simmer until the noodles are tender. Once they are, bring the whole pan right to the table, dish up a salad, and dinner is done. Let me tell you, this will be perfect on those busy weeknights when you're stumped as to what to serve. The recipe for our all-in-one sausage dinner is waiting for you on our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty, stress-free way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
Looks good. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.